Teju, now we are going to identify the animals. Okay. So now tell me which is lion. Very good. Which is tiger? Super. Which is cheetah? Super, super, super. Which is camel? Very good, very good. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Shh. That's okay. Which is fox? Very good. Which is deer? Deer. Super, 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 super. Which is elephant? Slowly, slowly. Very good, very good, very good. Which is the tallest animal? What is the name?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Very good, fantastic. Which is gorilla? Very good. Which is...
Mommy, mommy.
Yes, this is mummy, that is baby. Okay, which is rhinoceros? Look carefully and then check. Very good, very good, very good. Oh, you're dancing. Super, super, super. So you know all the animals. Hmm? You know all the animals. Very good. So you identify very perfectly. Thank you. Say thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.